Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So let me show you. I don't know about you, but during the winter months is where our garden slows down basically to a straight halt and all we can really grow is cilantro. I don't know about you, but we live in zone 7A, 7B area, so we're out in Utah. And this is the only thing that I can grow for my chickens inside to make sure that they have extra vitamins, nutrients, and just some protein in their diet, because during the summer, they would get fresh vegetables from the garden. So with that not being an option now, I like to provide my girls with just some extra protein and nutrients. So it's super easy, super simple, and I guarantee you can use household items that you wouldn't even think of to do this simple, easy method for your chickens or your bunnies or horses, anything that you have, your goats, anything like that. It's a nice snack for your chickens, for your backyard chickens, and mine love it, so I'm pretty sure that yours will love it too. All I do is I find a container, I make sure that they're rinsed morning and night, or just twice a day, and that's it. And then I just leave it on the counter, and every single day when I go out to give treats and to tend on my chickens, I make sure that I give them a handful of this each day, so I know that they're getting their extra vitamins, nutrients, and just a little bit of protein. So that's what I do. I bought the trays, I had the fodder system. It just didn't work for me in my lifestyle, and I find that this way is just so much easier, because when I'm dumping out my coffee in the morning, then I hurry and rinse these because it's just right there. When I'm done making dinner or during dinner or while I'm making dinner, I just rinse it again, and that's all I do. So twice a day, all you need is a little bit of sunflower seeds. I will fill it up to about right here, and then I just soak 24 hours. Then from there, I rinse it morning and night, and it sprouts like crazy. All right, since this thing is full, I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it into a container so it's easier for me to give to the girls. So this bowl is just what I like to take out to my chickens. So any leftovers or sprouts that we have, we just put in here and then we go out and feed our chickens. So that's for that, and then this will be for just the extra sunflower sprouts. Look at the roots on these things. Will actually probably last us about, I don't know, maybe 4 to 5 days. And we have about 30 chickens. So it will last a while. So I just like to do that. And then when I go out there, I just give handfuls to them, and they love them. I feel like they maybe mistake them for a worm, but they eat them, and it makes me feel better at the end of the day, because when they're going through their molt season, they just look so sad, and I provide them a little bit extra. So this is what I do, and I hope it helps you, your chickens, all of this at once, but I would definitely feed it in just to moderation, or contact your vet to see how much you can actually give to your chickens. But I feed about 1 handful to my chickens, and they just kind of go through it, and they like to scratch through it and eat it, and it just makes me feel better. I could be feeding them more, but that's just what I do. All right, so you're gonna wash this out. I just use Dawn, and I scrub it really, really well so there's no extra residue of those sunflower sprouts in there. and then I start fresh. So let me go ahead and wash this. We have salsa jars that you could use. This is from Alfredo sauce. Justin bought me this so I don't have to go through all those small jars because I just felt like there was too much going on the counter. So we have this big jar. We actually have two. One's in the tack room that I'll go grab. All right. And in here I have my black sunflower seeds, and I'll post them right here. This is the bag I use, but this is about all I do as far as how much sunflower seeds I put into my jar. Now for 24 hours or until I feel like, you could soak these for 6 hours, 12 hours. I just kind of do it for a whole 24 hours. You want to make sure that it is cold water and you just give them a good soak. This is what I do. You can come up with your own method if it works best for you that way. This is just how I do it. All right. So when I feel good about it, I'm just like, all right, here we go. So that's all I do. Now you could rinse it until it goes clear, but I feel like that's just a waste of water when they're just going to sprout anyway. And after you rinse them morning and night, then they become clean. That's what I think. You can do what you want, but that's all I do. And then I just set it aside. So we'll check back on it in about 24 hours. Hurry, baby. Alright, so it's been about 24 hours. This is what it looks like. And I just take this strainer and dump it out. Wait for all the excess water to drip out. And then from there, I just flip it back up. And then I just set this aside. Same with this. And you'll rinse again later tonight. All right, here we are. They're looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna rinse again and then just set it on the counter. This has been sitting for 24 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain. Well, rinse and then I'm gonna drain and then set it back on the counter. Because once this is done and it's all harvested to the chickens, this one will be right behind it. Okay, check it out. This is definitely ready to harvest and give to the girls. So let me show you. This one is not too far behind. It is freezing. Here are the sprouts for my girls. And I also, from last night's dinner, I have some zucchini. So let's feed some sprouts to the girls. So this will be the first time harvesting from this bucket or this glass jar, this huge mason jar. I can post a link below so you can see where Justin got this for me. but I'm gonna just go ahead and feed, I don't know, that's about 2 handfuls, but I'm gonna do just 1 more. Because this is gonna continue to sprout. So I fill it up and then rinse it again and just keep it on my counter. Then every day I'm just gonna take from it. Now also, once this is done, I start my rotation over again. Don't mind my hair, but this rotation has started. I want to say it was day 3 when I started this. So what's best for you and your farm and your girls, because it all can change. So let's go feed them. It's like a straight blizzard outside. So wish me luck. Okay, here we go. Oh man. Hurricane Katrina picked up, huh, Kimber? It gets so windy here. This is like our first actual snowfall. And Diamond should be greeting us. My girl, hi! Oh my gosh! What do you think of this ghost? Hi, baby. Hi. Are you coming? Okay. I'm sure they're outside. Hey, my girls. Hey, girls. Hi. You want some sprouts? Maybe some zucchini? It is cold. Stay warm, babies. Okay. Then we have our bantams. Hopefully the cat doesn't follow me in. Hey, girls. There you go. They're trying to stay inside their coop, which I don't blame them right now. It is cold. Okay. We got them a water heater, a new one. So I'm just making sure that it's still working for them. Hey, girls. Okay, let's go. Yeah. It's cold? Hi. Let's go in the tech room. Yeah. Okay. And that is just a little taste of Utah weather. It was literally 40 degrees this morning, and now it's a blizzard, and we're probably gonna have to shovel, but that's fine. Woo! But that is how I feed my sunflower sprouts. You can do this with broccoli sprouts, anything that will sprout. So broccoli, sunflower, even just the regular feed from like the bird seed feed will sprout, because I have tried that. But I hope this video helped you. Again, this is just how I do it. The whole fodder system just did not work for me, just because I don't really have the space for it, and also I just feel like this process for me and what we have going right now works fine, and it works. So there's that. So I hope you guys stay safe. You guys have healthy and happy backyard chickens. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.